How to recover Facebook page ownership. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover your Facebook page ownership. Now this video might be for people whose Facebook has been hacked recently. So yeah, let's start. First thing you'll need to do is open up your Facebook. And after you open up your Facebook, head over to the person's page that was hacked. Now this can be you or your friends or whomever you want. And after you're on their page, you will need to tap on the three dots right besides their name. After you do that, you will see an option that says report profile. Tap on that, and now you will need to tap on something about this profile, and right here you will need to just select any one of these. So if you tap on something else, you will get more of these options. If you can directly tap on this option as well. Let me get back here. You can directly tap on pretending to be someone, or you can tap on harassment or bullying. You can do that, and then you can report to Facebook. So that's one way. The second way is you will need to head over to your profile, simply search for Facebook account hacked, and after you type this in, you will just get Facebook's help center, and you will see right here. You can tap on this help center link, and after you tap on that, you'll be here. Now from here you can simply follow the steps that they teach you, and you will be able to recover it. The last thing that you can actually do is you can head over to any freelancing sites or apps, and after you're there, search for ethical hackers who can hack back into your Facebook. And yeah, they do this for a living, and yeah, you can contact any one of them, but it will cost you some money. So yeah, that is the way you can recover your Facebook page ownership. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.